Welcome back everyone to FLIX IT YOURSELF. If you have a hole in the door like this, it's very easy to fix. Let me show you the steps how to fix it. So the first step is you take a knife and you cut out all loose debris, making sure there's nothing loose. Cutting out whatever loose pieces you have. Step 2, take some foam can, any type of foam, doesn't matter the particular brand or type, any type of foam. Turn over the can and start filling up the hole with foam. As much as possible, not too much because foam expands. This is perfect, like this. Okay, it's 24 hours and the foam dried out very nice and even expanded a little bit. All we need to do is start cutting out the excess foam, cutting it off. You want to make sure that it's has a little bit dent inside, so the wood filler is going to have weight to hold. Okay, step number 4. You could use bondo or wood filler. I use bondo because it dries out very quickly, in 2-3 minutes. All we need to do is take out a little bit. So let's say we're going to take out a golf size of putty, golf size ball of putty, a little bit less. We don't need much, like this. And on the package it says for golf size you use 1.25 inches. We don't need much. So we're just going to use like this. A little line over here. We're going to take the putty knife and mix it up, and we'll apply it on the door. So you want to make sure that you mix it up thoroughly because it dries out very quickly. I have a minute or two to work with it. So you go by the hole over here and just fill up the whole area. After 15-20 minutes, it's nice and hard. We're going to use first 80 grit sandpaper to get off the excess bondo, and then we're going to use 120 grit to smoothen it out. Now that it's nicely sanded down, all you need to do is put some primer, 2 coats of primer, and then paint with a door color. We're not going to do it right now, but you see how it's beautifully closed. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful week.